Hi there, this is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you've been here before, thank you for your continued support. If this is your first time watching our videos, thank you for taking the time and welcome to our channel. Kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. We bring to you great content absolutely free, and we can only continue to do so with your support and feedback. Today, we bring to you the Mwamba 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. Ever heard of the statement, "Simple is beautiful"? That statement perfectly describes this home design. This design is simple, functional, and unique. The main feature of this home design is the courtyard. The home takes on an L design with the courtyard nestled within the L. The living spaces are oriented around the courtyard, giving you what we call a rear-oriented living space. This rear orientation gives your living spaces a lot of privacy. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. You have a carport well-sized for 2 cars. From the carport, you have your front entrance that brings you to the living room of this beautiful home. This is a spacious living room, well-sized for all your furniture with adequate circulation space. A door leads from the living room to a small porch. The cloak room is perfectly situated close to the entrance. This position makes it very accessible to your guests. Next to your living room, you have a good-sized dining room for all your formal meals. Right opposite to the dining room, you have your kitchen. An intimate breakfast nook area is set up in the kitchen. All the 3 bedrooms are located down the hallway. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 are equal in size, and each of these bedrooms is well sized for 2 occupants. Each of these bedrooms has its own private bathroom. At the very end of the hallway, you have your master bedroom. The master bedroom comes with a walk-in closet and a master bathroom. Along the hallway, you have huge sliding doors that take you to the courtyard. The courtyard is a beautiful and versatile space. Here, you can set up a beautiful garden. Around the garden, there is enough space for you to set up your dining and your sitting areas. You can set up an outdoor barbecue area, an outdoor pizza area. The options are many. If you have the budget for it, you can actually build a swimming pool in the courtyard. The space is enough for a small swimming pool. The courtyard elevates this home design from just a regular home to a stunning signature home. This can also work very well for a holiday home. The courtyard space gives you an opportunity to own your space and bring in your own unique touch. This is by how you will orient this space, how you will utilize this space, and how you will set it up. The footprint of this home, what we call the plinth dimension, is 15.5 meters by 23.4 meters. With that footprint, you need a 50 by 100 piece of land, that is an 1/8 acre. This will allow you to build this home comfortably and have the right amount of courtyard space. The total living space of this home is 147 square meters. As at September 2022, the estimate cost of construction for this home is approximately 5.5 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. And that is the Mwamba 3-bedroom bungalow house plan, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1 cloak room, and a beautiful courtyard. If you have any questions or any queries regarding this house plan or any other house plan in our channel, get in touch with us. We have provided our telephone contacts and our email addresses in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Irene from Adroit Architecture. I'll see you in our next video.